In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Chase Zelle recipient. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can keep your Zelle contact list tidy and up to date. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and signing into your account. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're in, look along the bottom menu of the app and tap Pay and Transfer. This is the hub for sending money, moving funds, and managing who you can pay. Next, select Manage Recipients. This page organizes the people and businesses you've set up to receive payments. Since we're focused on Zelle, choose the Zelle option to narrow the list to your Zelle contacts. You'll now see all the people you've previously added for fast Zelle transfers. Find the recipient you want to remove and tap their name to open their details. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the right person. Removing a recipient won't affect your past payment history, but it does clear them from your active Zelle contacts. If you ever need to pay them again, you can always add them back later. In the top right corner, tap Edit. This opens the settings for that specific contact. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen. You'll see the option to delete. Tap Delete. To prevent accidental changes, the app will ask you to confirm. Choose Yes, Delete. As soon as you confirm, the recipient is removed from your Zelle contact list immediately. There's no waiting period and you don't need to refresh anything. If you return to your Zelle recipients, you'll see that their name has disappeared from the list. That's your confirmation that the change is complete. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection so the update saves right away. If your app looks slightly different, it may be due to an app update or device type, but the pay and transfer area and manage recipients should still be in the same general place. And if you have any scheduled Zelle activity with that person, double check those details before you remove them so nothing is disrupted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Zelle recipient in the Chase mobile app with just a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.